Good morning all. Myself Dr. Shobhit Deshmukh. I am an orthopedic consultant at Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital. Today I am going to speak about osteoporosis, which is very common in all the generation. No one is excepted in this. So I want to talk about an important issue that affects millions around the world: osteoporosis and fragile bones. Time we say resounding no to fragile bones and take proactive steps to protect our bone health. Did we know that osteoporosis is often called the silent disease? Many people don't realize they have it until they suffer a fracture, with approximately 8.9 million fractures occurring each year due to this condition. We can afford to ignore it, or do we have to treat it? So what causes fragile bones? Osteoporosis occurs when bones become weak and brittle. Factors that contribute to this condition include age. Age is a very important factor. Many patients do come to us with old age, so osteoporosis especially we see in this condition. Bone density naturally decreases as we age. Genetics is another factor which affects osteoporosis. Family history can play a significant role. Diet, insufficient calcium and vitamin D intake can weaken bones. Lifestyle, lack of physical activity, smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are significant risk factors for osteoporosis. How to take action, or how can we treat this osteoporosis, is prioritize nutrition. Incorporate calcium-rich foods like dairy products, leafy greens and fortified cereals into your diet. Don't forget about vitamin D definitely. Vitamin D is an important part for treating osteoporosis. Spend some time in sun and consider supplements if needed. Stay active, engage in regular weight-bearing exercises like walking, jogging or dancing. Strength training is vital for maintaining bone density. Make healthy choices, say no to smoking and limit alcohol intake. These habits can weaken your bones and lead to osteoporosis. Get regular screenings. If you are at risk, speak to your healthcare provider about bone density test. Early detection is the key. So in conclusion, let's commit to saying no to fragile bones. By taking these proactive steps, we can protect our bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Thank you for your attention.